So, sorry, setup ko kasi for online teaching. Tama ba ako?
Yeah, you are.
Am I correct that this is number 1? This is 2, 3, 4. Tapos
Bakit
ito, is it, this is 5, 6?
Teka lang,
Or is it 5, 6?
Okay.
5? Or this is 5, diba?
Yeah, one is the
This
back.
6 or is this 6?
6 is that one, the left.
So back
left
in
side.
dito.
Yeah.
6 in dito sa harap. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Sige. We need
naman,
help
random
kasi
pa rin
Joey, pa-set up. Hold on na. In terms yung sa nauna dito, because for those that do a double, gawin mo na lang, go through the entire list and then add their names sa huli para complete siya because we did end up with the 8 first and then the last 2. Does that make sense?
Ano ulit?
Diba may number tayo 1 to 8? May dalawang boosters na hindi pa, yung na it was only recently. So, nag-double. So, si 1 to 8, yung number natin nakalagay sa list based off of those who said yes first. And then, yung kung magdo-double, yung mga nag-double booster, sila yung last. So, 9 and 10 ulit. 9, I think nauna si Kay, and then Larry. No, si Kay. Kay nauna. So, Kay will be 9, Larry will be 10.
Question, are we gonna randomize the numbers pa ba or no more?
Randomize na lang?
Okay.
Randomize na lang kasi that's if this were on-site, then not on-site. If this were on-site, then naman, that's exactly what we're going to be doing anyway. If you mix in booster, you won't get to pick the booster.
Yeah.
All right.
Anton naman will take a picture as well kasi medyo malabo yung video ko right now.
Malabo ba to?
Yeah, I think it's my connection. It's okay. You take a picture anyway.
I think it's just that. I'll take a picture naman of it. Pero para makita ko lang kung anong numbering so that you guys can see it as well. Blood hell. Normally okay itong camera nito. Ang linaw-linaw for documents tapos biglang yan, sige. Joey, could you randomize it? Tapos, can you share your screen? Pakita mo na lang. Carlo, you have no stake here, but could you pick the number na lang?
Three.
See, 3. So, sabi ni Joel, he won't be able to make it to the Zoom call. Hold on. Just so it's clear. Sige, whatever. But he won't be able to make it to the Zoom call now, so we'll just give him information. Okay?
Pwede pa dictate sa akin.
So, what?
Pa-dictate
just a moment. Sorry.
Kung natulog siya.
I'm assuming Joey, si Jasper is talking about his kid.
Yeah.
Or
okay. I'm gonna pin
wag mo for this one, share screen na lang muna kay Joey so that we can see the list. Okay, sa list, first one, I think ako yung nag-una. Ako una, second si Jasper, then si Kay, followed by Kennard, Joey, Larry, Joel, si Knight, and then it's Joel got 1 booster, and then it's back to Kay, and then Larry.
Hanggang Anton, Jasper, Kay lang ako. Sorry.
Anton, Jasper, Kay.
Okay.
Ken, Joey, Larry. Joel, Knight.
Kennard, Joey, Larry.
Joel.
Kennard, Joey, Larry. Tapos Joel, Knight.
Joey. Who's Joey? George. Okay.
Tapos, una si Kay sa by
K is number 9, and then number 10 si Larry.
Then,
We're basing it off of those that said yes first.
okay. So, Anton, Jasper, K, Kennard, Joey, Larry, Joel, Knight, K, Larry. Ilang times kayo randomize? Pwede kong screenshot.
According to...
You can screen share.
You
Kasi,
yeah, you
ayun,
can.
pwede akong mag-share.
You
Wait,
can share.
screen. Naka-phone ako eh. Bagal nung laptop, sorry.
Sige lang, sige lang.
Ayan, kita niya screen ko?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, we see Magneto. So,
Ayan. Ayan, kita niya na.
yan, sige. So, 3 times.
3 daw.
3, di ba, Carlo?
Yeah, 3 sabi
Yes,
na.
yes.
Yep, okay, so 3.
Awesome. 3 awesome.
Ayan.
So, third na yan, no?
Screenshot
Okay.
ko, tapos send ko sa group.
Teka, can I take note of this? So, Lar, Ken, K, Knight, Lar,
Yun, number 1.
Anton, K, Jasper, Joey, and then Joel. So kay Larry first and fifth. Okay, sige.
And then I'll
Thanks.
spotlight Anton.
Okay.
Start sharing na si Joey.
Maganda number mo, Jasper.
Wala.
Mm-mm.
O ano,
Okay.
si Odin gusto ko actually. Kaso hindi ko pala magagamit si Odin.
Hindi,
Ayan,
300.
ayan. When there's a way, where there's a will, there's a way. All right. Can I share my screen?
Si Joey should stop sharing para ano.
Ano ba yung Zoom? Ayan.
Para si Anton na yan.
Bakit ngayon nagpapa?
Then i-spotlight ko si Anton. Okay, yeah. Spotlight na po.
Can you
Choppy sa akin si Anton.
ito ba? What
Same choppy din.
what are you seeing on your screen?
I'm seeing
Teka, papin na
Facebook.
lang sa akin. I can't.
Okay, you don't have to share your screen.
Teka. Can you see the screen? You can see
Ah,
the legacy. Sige, hold on. So the legacy price na lang.
The legacy price na lang yan. Price na lang. Price.
One card lang siya. Hindi siya makapal. So legacy for the price. Just a moment. Para lang magawa ko na to. Sadly, nawala na yung pen. So I'll have to do this old fashioned. Just a second, guys.
Makakapool kaya si Scott Porter ng God Pack tonight?
Oo nga, no? Tonight nga pala siya.
May God Pack ba?
May God
Meron
Pack
daw
sa Disney Plus.
Wow.
What about Disney Plus?
God pack.
The God Pack. So Scott might get one later.
It would be nice if we
Fifth day na ba
stopped
mamaya?
stalking.
Di ba 4th day pa lang?
Day 5 mamaya.
Day 5 mamaya.
Day 5 na mamaya.
April Fools
Ayoko.
now. April Fools. It's a God Pack.
Alam mo, swerte if you don't actually have to worry about yung mga April Fools. Office namin kanina meron. Hold on. So, first was Lard, di ba?
Yes.
So ito, April Fools.
April Fools.
Fools yan. Fools. That's true.
Larry. Shucks. Blurry. So, followed by Ken. And then, Larry, Ken, K, di ba? Yung next. Then, Knight.
Tapos Larry ulit.
Yan yung masakit na pwesto ah.
Yung ano. Ay, hindi ah. Hindi ah. Hindi ah. It's not as bad as you think it is. It's not. Diyan ko nakuha yung Spidey Chase.
Really?
Yeah, that position. Lar ulit, di ba?
Number
sila
5
rin.
sila.
Number 5, Larry ba?
Number 5 sana Prime Destroyer, honestly.
Yeah.
Larry.
Di ba bang di natin nakikita na figures?
This is me.
Rocket Raccoon.
Sorry, sino?
Rocket Raccoon.
Rocket Raccoon, wala pa.
Wala pa ba?
Nga.
Wala pa nakaka-pull nun sa Pilipinas.
Okay lang. Okay lang yun. Kahit wala lang makapull nun.
Hindi yun yung habol ko nung last time.
Malakas
Sa
yun.
totoo lang sa chases, I want
Pero sa
that.
mga super rare, complete. Ay, Iron All Father, wala pa din.
Ito, nakakuha.
Sina?
Ito, nakakuha na Iron All Father.
Sino? Sorry?
Ito,
Ephraim.
Oo. Frame, naka-Iron All Father yun. Tsaka Thanos.
Alam mo si...
Joey. Ay,
Loaded ko yung
Joel.
brick niya since
And then
Empire.
last Joel, di ba? Tama, no? Confirm?
9 ako.
9 and then Joel yung last.
Si Doctor Strange ba nakakuha ng super rare?
Sa South. Ay, Super Rare?
Oo.
Ako.
Ay, hindi yung Chase, may Chase ba na Doctor Strange? Meron, di ba?
Meron. Yung sa South.
That's how. Pero iba kasi yun sa kanila, iba yung source nila.
Oo.
Online sila, di ba? Alright, sige.
Somewhere
We'll start off with the first one. First booster.
Good luck, everyone.
Thank you, Larry.
Good luck,
Which
guys.
can't be seen. Larry.
May we have an error break with all super rares.
So, for all we know, no, sana puro chase.
Oo, syempre, we all want that.
Larry.
This is Larry's. First figure.
If you get two, can you choose between the two or can
You choose
combine?
which one. You
Can
don't get to.
combine?
You can't use both. You use
Okay.
only one. Kanina, okay to. I mean, okay. First is Vision, Thunderstrike, Annabelle Riggs, Scarlet Witch, Groot. Larry's booster. Next, Ken, your booster.
Yeah.
Madaling tanggalin yung tape sa boosters ngayon. Letters. This is Ken's first figure, Scarlet Witch.
Uy,
Second,
puro nakakapa.
Thor Rare.
Oh, Jane
Third,
Foster.
What's his name? Curse, Blade, and then si Yondu.
Oh,
Wag natin buksan yung legacy para
I'm
surprise.
not opening the legacy.
Surprise yung price.
You learn about that on the day itself. Diba? Mabigat tong booster na to.
Uy,
Oh my
mabigat.
God. What are
Destroyer,
the 20K? Shucks.
Destroyer.
Baka Odin to.
pwede.
Ano yan? Chase. Pwedeng chase yan. Gitna eh.
Don't know. This is Valkyrie Rare.
Ako, chase yan. Doublet.
Nova. Hawkeye. Nebula. Hulk Rare. Hulk Common.
Huwag pala mabigat.
Knight booster mo. Magaan.
Wala pa super rare. Ano ba?
April
Dapat
Fool.
SR.
April Fools.
Ay, April Fool.
Error, tas error pa, no? Walang rare.
Error
Walang
pa.
super.
Okay.
Super rare
Walang
tsaka
ganyan. Okay.
Super rare tsaka.
Black Panther. Loki. Uncommon Vision. Angela. Black Knight.
Rare.
Rare Black.
Wala pang super rare. Ano yung error ba? Error break?
Larry.
Sakit ah.
Feeling ko prime brick to. Ganito normally yung sa prime brick.
Ayo.
Diba?
Wala palang guaranteed chase. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
No. As in, this is not a case. Okay, Larry, Thor Common, Brunhild na Valkyrie, Thor Frog or Throg, Kid Loki, Spider-Man.
Nasa harap lahat ng SR
Nasa
tsaka
harap.
Prime.
Ano ba yun?
Wow.
Next shit. Oh.
Pag yan error break, ang ganda ng kabilang break. Puro
This is mine.
Anim na SR tsaka dalawa. Tsaka Prime, tsaka Chase.
Anton. Jesus. Feeling ko Thor na naman to eh. Oh, okay, let's find out.
Or na naman, super rare.
Feeling ko Thor SR na naman eh. Okay, Thor common, Nebula, Blade, Donald Blake. Iron Allfather. Pwede. Pwede.
At
Panalo
least
na.
not Thor.
This is
Okay.
bad.
At least hindi Thor
Ang hirap
SR.
laruin.
Ay, hindi pwede
Well,
hindi pwede mapasok.
actually.
300 points. Pwede ba? Kasi siya, no?
At least
Which
half,
one?
di ba?
Half of your build has to come from a retiring set. Note
Meron
that,
ba siyang ano?
using
Meron
this
siyang
very
may
carefully,
utayan?
may 100 siya eh.
May 100. Pwede.
So take note, half of your build has to come from a retiring set.
Yeah.
Tapos half from this. I never said 300. I said half.
Yeah.
So if your build doesn't reach 300, then half of that is okay. K. This is K's second boot. Oh.
You gotta chase Trinity.
SR no. SR Valkyrie. What's his name? Shang-Chi, Spider-Man uli.
Dire-diretso
Tapos,
naman ang ano ngayon.
Malakas
the
yung
executioner.
Shang-Chi. Malakas yun sa ID card, Silver Age.
Daddy,
Jasper.
hello.
Middle
Hello.
booster.
Tapos na sa'yo.
Tapos na?
Oo. Middle booster, Jasper.
Yan na. 3 super rare, sunod-sunod.
Loki. Gamora Prime.
Uy!
Uy,
SR
sulit.
Prime.
Yun na yun.
Enchantress. What's his name? Hercules, tapos Black Widow.
Yun na yun.
Yun na yun.
Yun na yung case.
Swerte talagang number 8 sa King.
Ay, yun na yung break.
Ano yan?
Chewie.
May
May
dalawa
picture
pang...
ni Anton, malabo.
Ay,
malabo.
isa
I'll take
pang
a picture
SR.
and send it later. Dapat may isa pang SR to. Prime yun eh.
Hindi, SR yun
Hindi,
eh.
tatlong SR na.
Oo, SR Prime.
Hindi, 3 SR.
Black Widow,
Baka may
Thor
chase. That's for
common,
chase.
Curse, Rare, and Scourge.
First rare.
Last, Curse
Maganda
Rare.
sa shield yun ah. Thank you.
Kapag SR Prime yan, 3 SR lang yan. Tsaka
Oh, tapos na.
2 SR, isang SR Prime.
Rare na lang
Yung
yung
kay
kay Joel.
Joel, well, let's find out and open it. Ang ganda ng isang brick.
Ang ganda na isang break. It's
Ang ganda ng brick na yun.
O, takbo na kayo sa CO. Case na yun.
Joel's
Chase
booster
na yun.
has, sorry about that.
Pero wala nang Iron
Joel's
Allfather.
booster,
Kaya ng Iron Father.
what's his
Saka
name?
Gamora
Pero may ano
Executioner,
yun. Possibly may destroyer
Thor
yun.
uncommon, Thor common, Hulk. Wala nga.
Oh.
Pero it's a nice booster, solid siya for a game.
Who's the rare?
Asgardia. Ay,
Solid break pa rin. SR Prime eh.
I don't
Ikaw,
know
at
who the rare is.
yung susunod.
Rare Thor. Rare Thor.
The shifting one.
Yeah, yung shifting, yung mahirap hanapin na shifting focus. Pa-unpin ako. So,
ano yun? Unpin.
thanks. Okay, so that's it, boys. I'll take pictures, tapos post it sa group. So you guys
When do we
know.
submit the builds?
You have until 12 noon tomorrow.
Okay.
So 12 noon submit.
Sila Rio.
Tapos
Spotlight for everyone.
ano? Okay, so you have until 12 noon to submit the builds. It's your call pa rin if you want to play or if you're happy with yung booster, just getting the booster. That happens sa man eh. There are some na after getting okay na sila eh. Right? Just
Yeah.
let me know na lang. By 12 noon, whoever submits their battle reports, we'll count that. I'll look through my SRs, pero I'm thinking of donating either yung Skrull, yung Kree, or yung Shi'ar na SRs ko from Empire for this. I'll let you guys know tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay. Remember
Thank
that
you,
the
Anton.
other brick is a chase
Thanks,
brick.
Anton.
The other brick is a chase brick.